हेलो दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका एक बार फिर आपके अपने चैनल हेलो टीचर में। और आज हम देखेंगे ओपीएस से रिलेटेड जो मटेरियल है, रीडिंग मटेरियल, रिकॉर्ड मैनेजमेंट का मटेरियल है, इम्पोर्टेंट चैप्टर है। और इसके ऊपर बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन जो है ऑफिस प्रोसीजर एंड एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन के पेपर में बनेंगे। रिकॉर्ड मैनेजमेंट, एक्टिविटीज इन्वॉल्व इन रिकॉर्ड्स मैनेजमेंट। Records management cover the activities concerning recording, retention, retrieval and weeding out। फिर पहला जो दिया है स्टेज रिकॉर्डिंग। फाइल शुड बी रिकॉर्डेड आफ्टर एक्शन ऑन द इशू considered thereon has been completed। However, files of purely ephemeral nature containing papers of little reference or research value may be destroyed after 1 year without being formally recorded। फिर है सेकंड नंबर प्रोसीजर फॉर रिकॉर्डिंग। आफ्टर एक्शन ऑन दिस इशू considered on the file has been completed, the dealing hand oblique intending officer in consultation with the supervisory officer should close and record the file in the manner prescribed below। Point number A, indicate the appropriate classification of record in bracket white para 90 below bracket close and the case of class C also specify the relation period and the year of destruction on the file cover। Point B, where necessary revise the title of the file so that it describes adequately the context and the stage। Point number 6, get the file index in bracket white para 101 bracket close unless it is to be written for less than 10 years from the date of closing। Point number D, extract from the file copies of important decisions, documents etc. as are considered useful for future reference and add them to the standing guard file oblique precedent book। Point number E है remove from the file all superfluous paper such as reminders, acknowledgements, routine slip, working sheet, rough draft, surplus copies etc. and destroy them। Point number F है complete all reference and in particular mark previous and later reference on the subject on the file cover। Point number G है pass on the file clerk will। इसके बाद जो है द रिकॉर्ड क्लर्क विल। पॉइंट नंबर ए है कंप्लीट कॉलम 3 and 5 ऑफ द फाइल रजिस्टर एंड करेक्ट द एंट्री इन कॉलम 2 वेयर नेसेसरी। पॉइंट नंबर बी है एंटर द फाइल नंबर इन कॉलम 2 ऑफ द रजिस्टर फॉर वाचिंग प्रोग्रेस ऑफ रिकॉर्डिंग इन ब्रैकेट अपेंडिक्स 24 ब्रैकेट क्लोज। पॉइंट नंबर सी है राइट द वर्ड रिकॉर्डेड प्रोमिनेंटली इन रेड लिंक across the entries in the file movement register। Point number D है indicate pages number and other reference in bracket except reference to alphabetical slip bracket close made in pencil or ink। Point number E है indicate the year of review on the file cover in respect of class C files। Point number F है prepare fresh cover where necessary with all the entire already made thereon and point number G है hand over the file to the draftery। इसके बाद जो है the draftery will repair the damages paper if any stitch the file and show it to the record clerk for making entries in the register for watching progress of recording in bracket appendix 24 bracket close before keeping it is the bundle of records file। फिर है classification of records। File may be recorded under any one of the following class ऑप्शन नंबर वे है क्लास ए मीनिंग कीप एंड माइक्रो फ्रॉम दिस क्लासिफिकेशन विल बी एडोप्टेड फॉर। तो ये इम्पोर्टेंट होने वाला है एग्जाम के लिए, ये चैप्टर अच्छे से क्लियर कर लीजिए। क्लास ए मीनिंग कीप एंड माइक्रो फ्रॉम दिस क्लासिफिकेशन विल बी अडोप्टेड फॉर। पॉइंट नंबर ए है फाइल्स विच qualify for permanent preservation for administrative purpose in bracket white part A of appendix 24 and which have to be microfilm because they contain। point number 1 है content में a document so precious that its original must be preserved intact and access to it in the original form must be restricted to the barest minimum। और पॉइंट नंबर 2 है मटेरियल लाइकली टू ही रिक्वायर्ड फॉर फ्रीक्वेंसी रेफरेंस बाय डिफरेंट पार्टीज। पॉइंट नंबर बी है फाइल्स ऑफ हिस्टोरिकल इम्पोर्टेंस सच एंड दोज लिसन इन पार्ट बी ऑफ अपेंडिक्स 25। पॉइंट नंबर 2 है क्लास बी मीनिंग कीप बट डू नॉट माइक्रोफिल्म। This class will cover files required for permanent preservation for administrative purpose, such as those listed in Part A of Appendix 25, but not containing material of the kind mentioned in 1 or 2 or sub-para 1 in bracket A above। Point number 3 है class C meaning keep for specified period only। This class will include firm of secondary importance and having reference value for a limited period not exceeding 10 years। तो इसके ऊपर जो है आपको डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है कि फाइल जो सी टाइप की फाइल होती है वो कितने साल के लिए जो है कितने साल के ऊपर आप नहीं रख सकते, तो है 10 साल तक ही इसे रखा जा सकता है, उसके ऊपर उसको नहीं रख सकते, ठीक है। उसके बाद उसको नष्ट कर दिया जाता है। इसके बाद जो है स्टेज ऑफ इंडेक्सिंग फाइल स्टेज ऑफ इंडेक्सिंग फाइल विल बी इंडेक्स एट द टाइम ऑफ देयर रिकॉर्डिंग ओनली दोज फाइल विच आर कैटेगरीज एज ए एंड बी एंड दोज इन द सी कैटेगरी विच आर टू बी रिटेन फॉर 10 years इन ब्रैकेट वाइट वारा 99 ब्रैकेट कोड विल बी इंडेक्स। मैनर ऑफ इंडेक्सिंग में है पहला पॉइंट फाइल प्रिपेयरिंग अ फाइल फॉर रिकॉर्ड in bracket with para 98 the dealing hand of the deals assistant will underline the indexing head the standard head of the most important catchword in the standard head which will naturally occur to any official searching for the file and which will the index head, the standard head are the most important catchword in the standard head will be naturally occur to any official searching for the file and which will determine the position of the relevant index leaf in the considered index and the index subhead the catchword or catchword in the standard subheads and or the content of the title with the standard subhead and or the content of the title which will give a further and more specified clue to the file under search। फिर पॉइंट नंबर 2 है where the functional filling system in follow files need not be indexed under the basis primary secondary and tertiary heads for which the classification scheme itself will provide the master index. However, such files will have to be indexed under the catchword used in the content part of the content part of the title, which falls outside the standardized headings. Point number 3 है after index heads and subheads in the title have been appropriated by the section officer desk functionary, the recorded clerk, desk assistant will. Point number है type out in duplicate as many index slip as there are index head and subheads underlined in the title. Point number B है distinguish the index heads from the subheads by typing for former in capital letters. Point number C है indicate at the top of the index slip all the heads and subheads mentioned in the title one below the other, followed by the complete title of the file and the file number as per specimens appendix 26. Point number D है allot a pair of slip to each index head and subhead by scoring out entire relating to the other as per specimens in appendix 26. इसके बाद है पॉइंट नंबर ए अरेंज द इंडेक्स स्लिप इन टू सेट्स, वन इन अल्फाबेटिक ऑर्डर ऑफ द हेड्स सब हेड फॉर यूज द सेक्शन एंड द अदर इन द सीक्वेंस ऑफ फाइल मेंबर्स फॉर द यूज ऑफ द कंप्लायर ऑफ द डिटरमिनेंटल इंडेक्स. पॉइंट नंबर जी है कीप ईच सेट ऑफ पेपर इंडेक्स स्लिप इन सेपरेट स्प्रिंग क्लिप फोल्डर फॉर ईच ईयर. एंड point number H है indicate the date of indexing on the file cover and detail in the space provided for the purpose. इसके बाद जो है point number 4 है index slip will normally be typed on good quality paper. In the case of important files requiring frequent and urgent reference, however, card indexes could also be prepared. Even here the duplicate set meant incorporation in the determinemental index will be typed on good quality paper. Card index where maintained will be kept according to an alphabetical order of their respective catchword in a single series for all the year. Each departmental will issue departmental instructions specifying the classes of files in respect of which card indexing will be maintained. Point number 5 है to ensure consistency and facilitate consider of departmental index, files relating the parliamentary business will be indexed not only under the appropriate standard heads and subhead but also under the nature of such business. Parliament question, cut motion, resolution, etc. Custody of index slip. Point number 1 index slip will remain in the custody of the record clerk. Point number 2 after all the files relating to a year have been recorded, the set of index slip in respect of that year means for use within the section in bracket wise that arranged in alphabetical order will be nearly stitched and the stitch completion keep and the conventional place for reference by all concurrent. इसके बाद द completion of determinemental index. Point number 1 है the index slip pertaining to files relating to year will be sent to the compile of the departmental index 1 year after the close of the year to which they relate. If same file of that year still remain current even at the time of sending the index slip as indicated above, the dealing hand with the appropriate of section officer will prepare index slip in respect of such files as are likely to be written for 10 years or more from the date of recording. These will also be added to the set of slip being sent to the compiler of the departmental index. इसके बाद जो है पॉइंट नंबर 2 है द कंप्लायर ऑफ द डिपार्टमेंटल इंडेक्स विल। पॉइंट नंबर ए है एडिट द इंडेक्स स्लिप अलाउिंग द फुल टाइटल टू अपीयर ओनली ऑन द मेन इंडेक्स स्लिप दोज इंडेक्स अंडर द इंडेक्स हेड। पॉइंट नंबर 2 है स्कोरिंग आउट द टाइटल ऑन द subsidiary index slip those index under the index subhead and the given a cross reference to the relevant index head as per special in appendix 26। इसके बाद जो है पॉइंट नंबर बी है अरेंज द इंडेक्स स्लिप रिसीव फ्रॉम डिफरेंट सेक्शन इन अल्फ़ाबेटिकल ऑर्डर इन अ सिंगल सीरीज फॉर द डिपार्टमेंटल एज अ होल। एंड पॉइंट नंबर 6 अरेंज फॉर द प्रिंटिंग ऑफ साइकोस्टाइलिंग ऑफ द कंसिडर्ड डिपार्टमेंट इंडेक्स फॉर ईच ईयर। इसके बाद है प्रेसिडेंट बुक एवरी सेक्शन विल मेंटेन अ प्रेसिडेंट बुक इन द prescribed for appendix 27 for keeping note of important fulling in decisions having a precedent value for ready reference. Entire in the record will be made at the earliest opportunity and in any case at the stage of recording the file. Record retention schedule point number 1 है to ensure that file are neither primarily destroyed nor kept for period longer than necessary every departmental will. Point number A है in respect of record connected with accounts observe the instruction contained in appendix 13 to the general finance rule. Point number B in respect of records relating to establishment personal and housekeeping matters common to all departments follow the I schedule of period of retention for records common to all departments issued by the Department of Administrative Affairs and Public Grievance. Point number C in respect of record prescribed in this manual observe the attention period specified in appendix 28. And point number D in respect of record cannot with its substantive functions issue a departmental retention schedule prescribe the period issue a departmental retention schedule prescribe the period or which files dealing with specified subject should be preserved in consultation with the National Archive of India. The above schedule should be reviewed at least once in a 5-year custody or record. Recorded file will be kept serially arranged in the section desk concord for not more than 1 year, after which they will be transferred to the departmental record room. For file due for such transfer, the register at appendix 24 will be considered. तो ये जो लाइन है बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट लाइन हो जाएंगी। इसके बाद जो है पॉइंट नंबर 2 है इन द इवेंट ऑफ ट्रांसफर ऑफ वर्क फ्रॉम one section to another the relevant files also will be transferred after being listed in duplicate in the from appendix 29. One copy of this list will be retained by the section taking over the film for its record and the other acknowledged and returned to the section transferring them. Point number 3 है file transfer by a section to the department record room will be accompanied by a list of files in bracket appendix 29 in duplicate. The will be accompanied by a list of file appendix 29 in duplicate. The departmental record room will verify that all the files mentioned in the list have been received. Retain one copy of the list and return the other. Duly signed to the section concord in the record room. This list will be kept section wise in the separate file covers. Point number 4 है the departmental record room will maintain a record review register in bracket appendix 30 in which a few pages will be allotted for each further year. Class C file marked for review in particular year will be enter in the page earmarked for the year in the register. Point number 5 है file surveying the review undertaken on the attending the 25th year of life white para 107 subsection 3 will be stamped properly as transferred to NAP and retired to the National Archives. File transfer to the National Archives will be accompanied by a list of files in triplicate, one copy of which will be written by the National Archive, duly signed to the departmental record room. इसके बाद जो है रिव्यू एंड रीडिंग ऑफ रिकॉर्ड्स, रिव्यू एंड रीडिंग ऑफ रिकॉर्ड्स. पॉइंट नंबर 1 है अ क्लास सी फाइल विल बी रिव्यू ऑन द एक्सपायर ऑफ द स्पेसिफाइड रिटर्न पीरियड एंड रीडिंग आउट अनलेस देयर आर sufficient grounds warranting its further relations. Justification for objecting a file after review will be recorded on the file with the approval of branch office, division head Concord. Retention after a review will be for a period not exceeding 10 years. इसके बाद जो है पॉइंट नंबर 2 है क्लास ए एंड क्लास बी फाइल विल बी रिव्यू ऑन अटेंडिंग द 25th year of their life in the concession with the National Archives of India. In this review, the need for revising the original classification class B files may also be considered. तो ये दोनों पॉइंट जो है इम्पोर्टेंट हो जाते हैं, पॉइंट नंबर 2, पॉइंट नंबर 1. इसके बाद जो है पॉइंट नंबर 3 है द ईयर ऑफ रिव्यू ऑफ क्लास C फाइल बी record with the reference to the year of their closing, and that for class 1A and class B files with reference to the year of their opening. इसके बाद जो पॉइंट नंबर 4 है beginning in January each year the departmental record room will send to the section desk Concord the file due for review in the year together with a list of files in the form at appendix 31 in four lost in January, April, July and September. Point number 5 है files issued for review will be examined by or under the direction of the section office or the desk functionary contract, and those no longer required will be marked for destruction. Other file may be marked for further relation with wide sub para 2 and 3. Point number 6 है after review the record clerk desk assistant will make entire of revised classification return period in the file register and return them to the departmental record room along with the list appendix 31 after completing column 3 thereof. Point number 7 है the departmental record room will सब पॉइंट ये है ट्रांसफ़र क्लास ए एंड क्लास बी फाइल सर्वाइंग द रिव्यू अंडरटेकन एट द 25th year of their life white sub para 3 above to the National Archives. And point number B है in the case of other file destroy those marked for destruction after completing column 4 of the list of file appendix 29 and to restore the rest those marked for further retention to the departmental record stock after marking the required entire the record review register in the case of class C file. Point number 8 है records not falling within the category of files publication space copies of circular order will also be subjected to periodical review at the suitable intervals, and those no longer needed should be weed out. To facilitate such review, each section will maintain a register in the form at appendix 32. इसके बाद है records maintained by officers and their personal staff. Each department may issue departmental instruction to regulate the review and weeding out of records maintained by officer and their personal staff. फिर है रिक्वेस्टिंग ऑफ रिकॉर्ड No record file will be issued from the section department or archive record except against a signed requisition in Form B and M65 in the case of archive record and the form at Appendix 33 the case of other records. Classification of records. File after action on the issue considered their work has been completed should be recorded and preserved for retention for the purpose of further reference. Normally the entity dealing official in concession with his her supervisory of superior under any one of the following classes. Class A, Class A mean keep microfilm. Under this category the film means keep and microfilm. Under the category the files which quality for permanent preservation for administrative purpose and which have to be microfilm because they contain either a document too precious that its original must be preserved intact and access to it in the original form must be restricted to the barest minimum or material likely to required for frequency by different parties. File of historical importance also fall under this category of classification. Point number 2 है class B means keep but do not microfilm. Under the category the files required for permanent preservation for administrative purpose but do not contain any documents mentioned at one above. Point number 3 class C means keep for specified period only. Files of secondary importance and having reference value for a limited period not exceeding 10 years fall under the category of classification. Records of value for administrative purpose. Paper of the following categories will normally be among those required to be kept identifiably for administrative use. Point number 1 paper containing evidence of right of obligation of our against the government, title of property, claims for compensation and not subject to a time limit, form instruments such as award, scheme, order, sanction, etc. Point number 2 paper relating to major policy decisions including those relating to the preparation of legislation. Point number 3 paper regarding constitution, function, aid our working of important committees, working groups, etc. Point number 4 paper providing precedents for important procedures, administrative memoranda, historical report and summarize legal opening in the important matter. Point number 5 paper concerning rules, regulation, departmental guide or instruction or general application. Point number 6 paper containing rules, regulation, departmental guides or instruction or general application. Point number 7 paper relating to signing feature of organization and stopping of government department and offices. तो यहाँ पे टाइप्स ऑफ फाइल का अपना पहला वीडियो कंप्लीट होता है. अगला वीडियो इसी चैप्टर के ऊपर होगा लेकिन जो भी अपना सिलेबस है उसके ऊपर होगा. तो इम्पोर्टेंट है ये ऑफिस प्रोसीजर के लिए. ऑफिस प्रोसीजर एंड एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन का जो पेपर होने वाला है वो पे का उसके लिए इम्पोर्टेंट मटेरियल है. आगे का मटेरियल अगले वीडियो में देखेंगे. थैंक यू. अगर तब तक आपने हमारे चैनल को अभी तक अगर सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए, बेल आइकन को क्लिक कर लीजिए और अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर कर लीजिए. थैंक यू. धन्यवाद.